Hello everyone, it is Susan here from Susan Hiles Art and welcome to my channel. So this is part of the hashtag Stash to Treasure open collaboration, and today's prompts are fabric, lace, thread, twine, buttons, that kind of thing. And I think what I'm going to do today is work on the cover. I will end up putting lace and stuff on the pages, and I'll have to do a separate video for that. I'm just going to focus on the cover. Well, to be honest, my dad is back in the hospital, so I'm spending my days at the hospital. So I'm headed there in just a little bit, and I need to get this video done. And so I'm just going to kind of make it a little easy on myself today, if that's okay. And yeah, but my dad will be fine, so that's good. Okay, so I had asked last week for a vote on which cluster to add to the front of this junk journal. And well, by far, the vote was for number one. There were 10 votes for number one, 5 votes for number two, 6 votes for number three, and none for number 4. So this is number one. And, you know, I'm fairly sure it's going to end up somewhere up here. And it does have fabric, and it has some trim and stuff on it. I did pull out a bunch of laces, and what I need is a lace that is fairly wide so that I can go over the top of this journal and the bottom. I did go ahead and put papers on the inside. I still have this right here if I need to do it once the pages are in there. But, you know, so this will open like this. The pages will sit in here. And then this goes like this. And once I started putting this paper on the inside and moving this, the edges did tear just a little bit. I mean, it's not bad, and like this one I think tore just a little bit more, that you can see right here. And I know that it's not going to fall apart, but I wanted to make it look a little bit nicer. So my thought is that I'll take some lace and actually go over the top of it, kind of just like that, really, where you can't see where it started to tear a little bit. So I'm gonna put it on with my aqua glue. This is a brand new one. And I do like this lace. I thought that this looked pretty when I just had it on there. But let's see, this is also quite beautiful. And that would also look nice, right? I like the color of this one. It has a little bit more of a deeper color. This one is more white, which isn't bad. I don't know. Now I'm not going to be able to decide. I don't know that this one is wide enough, so I'm going to put that to the side. And let's see. So now I have to just decide between these two. Do I want something that's a little bit darker in color, or do I want something that's white? Or does it not even matter? Because they're close, but I can definitely see that this one has a darker tone to it. You know what? I'm going to go with the one that's darker. And let's just do this. So I'm going to keep this folded over. And all I'm going to do is, oh, I didn't even open this. All I'm going to do, I think I'll go ahead and cut the lace first. And then I'm just going to place some glue down and just put it down. And easy peasy. Sorry, I know I'm making a lot of noise. But let's go ahead and just cut this. So the end of it right here is not straight. So let me start with that. And then I'll cut it to length and we'll glue it down. And it's a little hard to tell which is the front on this, but all right. So there we go. And I'll cut one more for the bottom. And I probably could have just used this piece to measure, but you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Okay, so now I have my 2 pieces of lace. And like I said, all I'm going to do is put some glue down and wrap that over the edge. Let me just kind of make sure it's going to look like I want it to look. So, oh, actually, yep, so the inside, yep. Okay, no, this is good. This is good. Okay, perfect. So now, whoops. So now that's what it looks like on the bottom. Looks pretty, doesn't it? Oh, I like that. All right, now let's do the top. So I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, so those are on the top and the bottom. The lace looks perfect. So knowing that, now I can go ahead and put this on here. I wanted the lace on there first, just so I could get a good feel for the whole thing. Now remember, this is going to be tied with this. So this is going to be here. And so I'm just going to do this so I can place that cluster in the right spot. Okay, so knowing that that's going to be like that, I want to put this maybe right there. Yep, I'm feeling like it kind of needs to go basically right there in the middle of this little area up here. So I'm just going to put adhesive on the back. And let's glue it down. So thank you everybody that voted. It was fun to see what everybody thought. I enjoyed that a lot. All right, so I think that that's going to be it for today's video. Like I said, I will, when I do the lace on the pages of the junk journal, I will for sure, you know, do a video, and I'll be adding some laces. And well, you know what, maybe even next week I'll just kind of do it quickly for next week. Next week is to use beads, old jewelry, sequins, glitter, rhinestones, any kind of bling. So I want to bling out these pages just a little bit as well. So maybe I'll just do it then. We'll see. We'll have to see how everything goes. But that's it. So I'm really liking the cover of this junk journal. And I think that that lace is a perfect addition. And that's it. So be sure to check out my co-hosts that are Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming, Helen from Moss Cottage, and Maria from Maria's Miscellany. And click on the hashtag stashtotreasure, and you're going to find everybody's videos that are participating in this open collaboration. And you can still join in if you want to post a video today putting lace. Well, here's the prompts. Fabric, lace, thread, twine, string, buttons. You can certainly do that. And I just wanted to pop in here real quick to remind everyone that this Saturday, February 18th, Carol from Recrafted by Carol and I are hosting a one-day open collaboration, a sewing collaboration. You will use hashtag #SewMyHeart. You can post on YouTube, you can post on Instagram, and you're going to be using fabric, hearts, and you're going to stitch. So everyone is welcome to join us. You are all invited. We would love to have you. So thank you so much, everybody. Have a blessed week. Bye-bye, everyone.